Hey guys, I'm Matthias. How you doing today? So today I'm going to be watching Mariah Carey singing some of her like Instagram songs. So she's been posting a couple like videos on Instagram of the Emancipation of Mimi songs, and so these are all like a cappella little impromptu performances, and so I'm excited to see how she sounds. Here we go! Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. It's like very close on her face. Yeah, you gotta do it all.
Just relax.
You gotta do it all. You gotta do it. Ooh. I want to hear a whole whistle version of When We Belong Together. Ooh, fly like a bird. Ooh, oh my god. This sounds exactly like the record. This is the record. Oh. She.
Sit at home and fantasize. I should be good. I ain't wasting
She
no
forgot the words.
time. 'Cause I got to make you mine. I should be a girl.
I should be a girl. Ooh, I love this song. Yes. Yes, Mimi. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. That Fly Like a Bird, that could have been the record. Like, I could have been listening to Emancipation of Mimi, and if you swap the tracks, it would have been the exact same song. So, Mariah, and she led me on when she cut it right before she did the other part of the song. So, Mariah, you know how to keep me titillated and tantalized and always wanting more. I want more music coming from her soon, so I hope we get that in 2020, because this year has been terrible. So Mariah, here are pleas, and please release some new music soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!